we're back. Welcome to Children's Community Health Club Horticulture and Craft Summer Camp. This is year number 5. We've reached a milestone, and with me is a camper, Michaelia.
Hi, I'm Michaelia.
Stay tuned to hear Michaelia's interview and so much more. Hi, I'm Beverly. Welcome to Beautiful Wholesome You, Children's Community Health Club and Horticulture and Craft Summer Camp. With me is one of my campers. Her name is Michaelia Maxwell. Michaelia, say hi.
Hi.
Now, I brought her on here. It's our 3rd week of camp. We're in the 4th week of camp. We have 2 more weeks left. And I brought Michaelia to just say hi to you guys. And I also want to interview her and ask her what she is liking about the camp. Michaelia, this is your first year at camp?
Yes, please.
And what do you like about the camp so far?
Well, I like to get my hands dirty by going in the garden.
Wow, this is really good. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
And she likes to get her hands dirty by going into the garden? Wow, I'm really. So, what have you planted so far?
I've planted okras, cucumbers, watermelons, and lettuce.
And we also plant some snap peas.
Yes,
as well too. So, what did you learn about indoors, and what did you learn about the importance, what the plants need?
Well, plants need like water, sunlight, nutrients, air, water, and also some love.
Yes, it does indeed. I'm loving her already. So, I want to remind you guys that we have 2 more weeks of camp. Camp finishes August 17. Yeah. What else are you learning apart from agriculture and being in the garden at camp? What else are you learning?
Like, I really understand those things.
Sure. Tell us what else you're learning.
Well, in exercise, I learned not to be overweight and obese and make sure that I'm healthy. In temperance, I learned that I should have a moderate diet and moderate use of what's good for you, and that I should stay away from bad. In
nutrition,
I learned
how many food groups you looking at?
all the food groups.
Tell me the 4 food groups you looked at.
Fats, fiber, protein, and carbohydrates.
Give us some examples of each of these these healthy examples of these food groups.
Well, 2 examples of fiber is like fruits and vegetables. An example of fruits and vegetables like broccoli and okras and cucumber and tomato toast are vegetables, and fruits like strawberries and gooseberries and apples.
Okay, give us examples of fats.
Fats have coconut oils, sesame seeds, flaxseed, pumpkin seeds, avocados, and milk.
Okay, give us examples of protein, healthy choices of protein.
Well, like beans, like soya beans, black eyed beans, baked beans.
Apart from beans, what else do you have that give it N that's really very good, that's high in protein as well? To give it N?
Nuts.
Okay, and give us an example of carbohydrates, healthy carbohydrates.
Whole wheat flour, whole wheat bread, bakes but with whole wheat flour.
Yeah, you heard her, bakes but with whole wheat flour. Okay, now what is the thing you're learning when it comes to snacks about reading labels? What are you looking for when you're choosing a healthy snack?
I'm looking for monosodium glutamate, which is the short version for is MSG.
Okay, good. So what healthy snacks do you think you prefer to have now that you've learned about MSG? What healthy snacks do you think that you like to have instead now?
I would like to have like plantain chips, wheat crisps, fruits and vegetables.
Very good. I like that one.
Popcorn.
Oh yeah, we are popcorn lovers, and we're actually going to make a smoothie shortly, so I'm looking forward for that when we're finished.
Smoothies.
Yes, ma'am. Smoothie. So, Michaelia, would you like to start your own garden at your home after doing this camp?
Of course, I love going in the garden.
So you want to have your own garden when you go home, when you finish camp?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me now, how many beds do you have
At camp?
at camp?
Well, I have okra bed, cucumber bed, my own snap pea bed, my lettuce
watermelon.
Right, my watermelon bed.
So you have about 4 beds that she's responsible for at camp, and she really is like this year at camp is much smaller than we used to have it over the years, and I'm really happy it was a lot smaller. I needed the chance to just have a little time with the kids myself, and I really enjoy camp. Children, not kids, they're not animals. And I'm really having an amazing time with the smaller group of children, and I really appreciate the fact that this group, these children really enjoy being outdoors and what have you. So here you have with the 8-year-old in my camp, one of the 8-year-olds in camp, and I really do hope that next year, if the Lord permits me to have the camp, that she'll be here for me as well again, and that we'll have many more 8-year-olds like herself who really enjoy being in camp and arboriculture and the nutrition and what have you. Kelia, can I ask you about one last question?
Okay.
Would you come to my camp again if I have a camp again?
Of course.
Would you invite someone to come to the camp?
All my friends.
I'm loving her. She could do a PR for me. Well, I'm Beverly, reminding you to support the Children's Community Health Club, Arboriculture and Crafts Summer Camp, and remember that if we can touch one child, that child can change that home. That one home can change the community. That community can have an effect upon the country, and that country can have an effect upon the entire world. The entire world. Making a global difference now. Children's Community Health Club, Arboriculture and Crafts Summer Camp. Want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Kelia, thank you for being on my show.
You're welcome.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it too. Good stuff. Good stuff? Good stuff. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me with my interview with Michaelia, and do look forward to doing a whole lot more. Bye.